How to fix Keeper Turn Wallet app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for the application on the Play Store, and just make sure that the app is updated to its latest version on your device, because a lot of times outdated versions of the application create hindrances and spoils the experience of using the application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back and tap on the settings of the device. Then just scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. And here you can search for the application on the search bar by typing it, or you can just scroll down and find the application of Keeper. So just go to the application and you can see the option of clear all data. Tap on that and here you can select on delete all data or delete all cache. So just tap on OK and then go back and tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart your device. So this might definitely help you in fixing the application not working. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.